Salut les amis, Bienvenue sur Master French with Vidyansshu. In this video, you are going to learn about the conjugation of the IR ending verbs. The first verb is Partir, which means to leave. It is conjugated as following: Je pars, tu pars, elle, on part, nous partons, vous partez, and elle part. Pronunciation of these three R's: park, partons, partez, and park. In negation, sujet plus ne plus verbe plus pas. Je ne pars pas, tu ne pars pas, il, elle, on ne part pas, nous ne partons pas, vous ne partez pas, il, elle ne part pas. So this is how we conjugate the verb partir in affirmation and in negation. So the meaning of these conjugations in affirmation is: I am leaving or I leave, you are leaving or you leave, he or she leaves or is leaving, we or one is leaving, we are leaving, you are leaving, they are leaving, I am not leaving, you are not leaving, he or she is not leaving, we are not leaving, you are not leaving, and they are not leaving. So now we are going to do some sentences so that you are able to understand how this particular verb is going to be used in the formation of any sentence. The first sentence is Je pars pour Delhi. I am leaving or I leave for, or to is the meaning of this particular term. This is pronounced as Pook. I'm leaving for Delhi. Second sentence: Tu pars a with ac. This means you are leaving at, pronunciation is a, with means 8 in numbers, and this is pronounced as ac. This means hour or time. In France, they use the 24-hour clock. So here 8 a.m. is to be written. So the sentence is: you are leaving at 8 a.m. Third sentence: Mari, Pak, Pook, Pari. Pronunciation is Pari. This means Paris. Mary is leaving for Paris. Let's do some sentences in negation. Nu, na, pak, topa, ojuk dui. This means today. Pronunciation is ojuk dui. We are not leaving today. Fifth sentence. वो ना पाकते पा दमा. Pronunciation is dama. You are not leaving tomorrow. Dama means tomorrow. The sixth sentence. Les étudiants ne partent pas tôt. The students are not leaving early. To means early. It is pronounced as to. The students, les étudiants, the liaison rule will be applied here. Pronunciation will be étudiants. Étudiants. The students are not leaving early. So these are the 6 sentences which I wanted to discuss. Kindly note them down and please frame your own sentences, conjugate the verb in affirmation and again in negation all by yourself, and do share your sentences in the comment section. I will check it for you. Please, if you like the content of the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Please share it with your friends and do press the bell icon for getting the future updates on time. Atre, Bienvenue.